Hi, good morning, boys and girls. We are going to make a special project. We're going to make a kite, your very own kite that you can fly when it's windy out. What you're going to need is some duct tape, or really good tape. You're going to need some yarn, 2 straws or 2 sticks. You can even get 2 sticks from outside and use. Tape, markers, and your scissors, and a white piece of paper. Now I'm going to show you how to make a kite and cut one out really cool and easy. You're going to take your white piece of paper. I'm going to take some of my stuff off of my tray just so you can see it really well. You are going to take your white piece of paper and you're going to fold it 2 ways. You're going to fold it like this in half. They call this a hamburger fold. They call it a hamburger fold because it is the wider fold. It's a bigger fold. Like you could put a hamburger into the 2 slices of bread. So you're gonna do a hamburger fold, and then you're gonna do a hot dog fold, which is doing it this way. You fold it the opposite direction. And see, that one's skinny where you can put a hot dog in. That's just what I learned in school. The hamburger fold and the hot dog fold. Okay, and the reason why you do this is because you want to have the lines on both of your folds. So you see you've got a line in the middle where you did your hamburger fold, and now you've got your hot dog fold, okay? Now take your scissors. Your grown-up can help you to remember this. And you know what you can do is you can even put, you can draw a line. In fact, I'll do that right now. You can draw a line where that fold is, and then you'll know exactly where to cut. Okay, so you're gonna take this, and the seam is down. You see this? So it opens at the top and the seam is down. And you're going to take your scissors and you're going to cut from this corner to the very middle. Okay? So just like that, you're going to cut it. And again, your grown-up can help you if you need help. All the way to that corner. Then you're going to turn it around and you're going to do the same thing. You're going to go from this corner to the very middle. Just like this. And watch when you open it up. You have a kite. Isn't that neat? You have a diamond. I love that trick. Okay, what we're going to do with our kite though now is we get to decorate it. So I'm just going to put my kite up here so you guys can see me decorate mine. And you can do this any way you want. This is where your creativity gets to come into play. You can color each triangle a different color if you want your kite to look that way, or you can just draw circles or pictures or whatever you want. I think I'm going to put some circles, red circles, and this triangle of my kite, because that's just what I kind of feel like doing. I like red. Red's a happy color. But my favorite color, you know what my favorite color is. Do you remember? Yeah, it's orange. And then I think in this triangle, I might draw some yellow stripes. I think I'm just going to do some pretty yellow stripes, just like this. So far, I'm liking it. And then let me think. I think I might use blue down here, and I might do some swirls. I think I'll do swirls down here. Remember, this is your project, so you can do anything that you want. I'm going to use make swirls, little blue swirls all around. I'm liking it so far. Okay, and now I have one more triangle. What should I do on that triangle? I think I'm going to use green. And I think for this one, let me think. I think I'm going to do, these are straight lines. I think I might do some curvy lines, wiggly lines. I think that's what I'm going to do down here. See, there's no wrong way of doing it because it's yours. Now my kite's almost finished. I like to finish my kite this way so you can see my triangles really well. I like to put a line, a black line that goes down the middle, just like that. And then I like the black line to go all the way across, like an X, just like that. It just makes it so I can see it a little bit better, each of my triangles. Okay, so now my kite is all decorated. Now we're gonna put it together. And this is how we're gonna do it. You're gonna use your straw. You've got one straw that goes up here, and then you're gonna have another one that goes across, just like that. This straw is a little bit too big, so I'm gonna cut a little bit of my straw off. And if you're using sticks, just find some sticks that you think are the right size, and then you can figure it out as you go if they're right or not. Okay, so the first thing that you want to do is take your tape, your clear tape, and you are going to take, I'll put it up here so that you can see it a little bit better. You are going to take, your straw and, whoops, you know what? I need bigger tape. I'm almost out of my clear tape, so I'm actually going to use my, my duct tape right now. But I would use your clear tape for this. You want to take your straw, is that my bigger one? No, this is my bigger one. And tape it on the back of your kite, like that. And you're probably going to do it in a couple of spots, okay? Like I said, I would probably use my regular tape instead of my duct tape for that. But I'm out of my regular. Okay, and then you're going to take your other one and it's going to go across the other way. And you just want to tape it down, just like that. You're making the frame of your kite. And then you want to take the other piece and it's stuck to my finger. Tape that one down. Now the back of it doesn't look all that great. It'd look better if it had the clear tape on it. But it's supposed to look something like that. And then you turn it over and there's your kite. And see, now it's a kite. It's not just a loose piece of paper. So we're going to turn it over on the right side now. Well, now we need the string for our kite. So I'm going to use red. And this you can make as long as you want it to be. I think that's probably good. And you want to tape it again to the back. I wouldn't use duct tape. I might have a little bit, see, that's all the tape that I have left. I've got to get some new tape from my snail tape dispenser. And you're going to tape that to the back of your kite. And that's the string that you have. So then when it's windy outside, take it outside and hold it by its string, and you can run around the yard and your kite will follow you. So when you guys make your kites, will you take a picture and have your grown-up put it on Facebook so I can see the cool designs that you make for your kite? That would be awesome. Well, thank you guys for joining me on making your own kite. I will see you again soon. Bye.